Hey, the champions. Amakos, abafana bokuthula nonto. Top of the league.
At the top, like the house keys that sit on top of the fridge, the tiles that are on top of the house.
Unbeatable, undefeated. Sibadlile, game after game.
By on top, I mean like the do-rags that are on these young boys and all these superstars. That's the level of top we're at.
Kaizer Chiefs was 379 days on top. Ati mesibiza coach. Ati champions, are you ready? Hey! Utama kufika COVID.
What happened here is that everything was okay, all right, and then lockdown happened. By lockdown, I mean lockdown coronavirus 19.5S plus pro.
Isikhathi se-COVID basebesinikile. South Africa beyivumile ukuthi we are the champions. Asibanike ikhaphu ithi mafethu kaboyela. The CAF champions.
We had spoken to the team as the assistant. I told the other assistants that we need to tell the team to focus on the cup, but clearly the only cups they're focusing on is the cups of Med Lemon at home.
Long time in a Sundowns. Yes. Yabona ku change room. Change room wekade chazile ucoach ukuthi i-free kick izoshawa ubilliard. Phaka angazi ngempela bafethu ukuthi
it's better to trust someone than ukuthemba umuntu.
Basically, Kaizer Chiefs was like a security company. We were just there at the top, guarding the space for Sundowns.
And lofana lo uJunior Khane lo ngimfuni ngabi lo mfana lo yana angimfuna ehambe ngakhona ukuthi njani wazini.
Nonetheless, the other guy predicted a prediction and he put us in a predicament.
Bafunde ba matric. Itheni nginika advice encane la. Ungafika upass uterm 1, upass uterm 2, upass uterm 3. Mase uyajabula uterm 4 ungawupass. Ungabi like Kaizer Chiefs.
Hayi kodwa ke ayikho into engayisho, but it's fine because impilo is not about life.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 points.
The other guy, Katsande, all he was doing is posting his outfits. That's all he was doing. Outfits, uniform, drip, impahla, clothing, kotin.
Best bangisicoco, Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns kula. Angazi noma ngenzeni. Kodwa Pirates ibangisicefe.
That's why I'm insured by Auto and General.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi kwisizini elandelayo swakhuphula amasokisi sona nocoach omusha nabadlali abasha because lonke lolu vucu lo edlala nawo la hayi ngeke lilungile.
Guys, stay away from abusive relationships. Stay away from Kaizer Chiefs.
Here's my story.